Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video on this new product that's out called the Tadpole Tape Cutter. And I got the multiple pack, so there's actually 3 different sizes depending on the size of the tape that you have. And haven't tried this out, but what I understand about this is that you put the tape on here, and that basically it cuts the tape and then keeps it in position. And you'll never have an issue with having to find the end of the tape again. So that's the idea behind this. And then here it is. Here it's explaining how you actually wrap the string that you see here inside the inner part of the tape, and just run it over here. So what I'm going to do is, obviously it doesn't make a lot of sense to do any kind of like unboxing. So what I'm going to do is just open this up, grab a roll of tape, grab a regular roll of tape here, and see how we can make some magic happen. Let you know what it looks like. Well, I can tell you at first glance basically the instructions on the back aren't as clear as I would think they should be. It's saying attach the tadpole using roll cord. I'm assuming that means you're going to put it on, which I was able to do in the direction with the blade here, so that going this way the tape would come out, but that's not necessarily clear to me. And then it says pull it back with your thumb, then pull the tape and hold it against the roll. So to me that's not really that clear. So let me do a little research and figure it out, because when I put it on this way and start pulling this back, I don't feel the tape in any way, shape, or form moving off of the roll. So maybe I have to pull it up anyway. So I'm going to dig into that a little bit. Alright, so what I learned is you basically have to find the tab of the tape, grab it, pull it the first time, and then slide this back to the desired length, rip it off, and then as you go back, the next piece is going to be there for you because it gets caught in these little tabs here. So that's what makes it easy to operate. So you can then just pull this back, pull the tape here, rip your tape off, and the next piece is exposed right there and ready to go. So it's still going to be more of the using your hand manually, but the tape is there for you not to have to pull it up again. So I think from that perspective it's going to be good. The concern I would have with this is how well this this guy here, this elastic, is going to hold up. It's basically one of those kind of hair tie type of materials that women or girls use. So I think as over time it would probably stretch out, but it does definitely do what it says it's going to do. And the instructions, I guess, are not as clear to me or evident or obvious as I would otherwise hope. But other than that, you can put this thing in here, and it is fairly easy to get the tape because it sticks on there. So let me know what you think. Would you potentially consider buying a package of these or buying one of these? How do you compare this to some other device? I have personally one of these for my store, and I think this, most people don't have something like this, the more industrial type, but something like this might be better for around the house. So I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments below. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.